Hey, Natsa, morning, good morning. Coffee time Sunday, huh? Let's have a coffee together. Morning, guys, morning. Good morning. Huh? Grab a coffee. Let's have a coffee together. Morning, morning. Sebastian, good morning. Zoltan, Natsa. Morning, guys. Coffee so good. Mr. Mario, Natsa. Morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Mahmoud, good morning. O caffè și o țigară, țigara mai târziu. Good morning. Proper calibrated Sunday coffee stream. Yeah. I mean, outside is like proper cold. I think around like 1 degree, 2 degrees, something like that. Very cold outside. .5 volts on the power button. Can be the EC chip issue? I mean, the power button has a pull-up resistor. Now you have to check if on the EC chip you have 3.3. Didi is on the chat. If you have 3.3 on the EC chip, then probably it's fine. But if you have 2.7 on the power button, most likely on the EC chip you have the same 2.7, which is not right. And that can be a EC chip issue. Can I fix this? Do you know how the BQ24800 chip works? I believe it's a buck and boost converter. Good morning, good morning. Lucian, leveling Necro on Diablo 7, ce e? Mă joc ROG. Am level 60 și 100 la Paragon. Proper nice sezonul 7. Season 7, it's nice on Diablo. I start playing it like 2 days ago. And I have a rogue with the knives skill. It's proper fun to play. I play every character, but a rogue definitely is fun to play. Sorry, I have one Lenovo laptop. It charge through Type-C, but not through DC. I mean, Golam, you have to check. There is no way I can diagnose your motherboard over the internet. USB-C tester doesn't even turn on. Could be the PD controller? Yes. I mean, in order to turn on a USB-C, is just enough to have 2 resistors. But I found on the motherboard where actually the PD controller is turning on the meter. How is the weather today? Cold. New mousepad. The PCBWay mousepad, the gel was coming out from the mousepad, so I have to throw it in the bin. Morning. Can a laptop battery be unlocked without the battery analyzer? No, no. There is a way, but I really doubt you'll spend days for a battery unlock, a specific battery unlock. But no, basically no. Iulian, nu știu despre ce e vorba. Nu cred că am întâlnit. Tom Gravity, good morning. Boyle, good morning. Draco, good morning. I'm fine. I'm fine. It's a beautiful day. Bonjour from France. Good morning. Morning, guys. Grab a coffee, eh? Grab a coffee. Hot coffee. So, how is everyone? Next, Pex, good morning. There is, for me, it's no solution for this kind of repairs. Sergio Mariano. Laptop coming on in no picture for me. I will not even take the job. Definitely, I will not take a gaming laptop with something like that. But maybe a normal laptop, I can have a look. But no more what you can do. I mean, it's RAM, my memory, BIOS, but that's all what you can check there. Nothing else. Is there any sugar on that coffee? Mircea, nu e. No. Alessandro, good morning. Mate, good morning. Can you explain the PWM IC vCore works? It is enabled before or after BIOS reading. It's enabled later, after the ECGP speaking with the PCH. Morning. First live stream I have caught 2:30. 2:30 is okay for a coffee. Yeah. That's the time I had my first coffee today. I stopped drinking coffee with sugar probably like 2 years ago, or more than 2 years. 2 years and a half, something like that. I don't know why. Because all my life I have the coffee with sugar. One day I said, you know what, I want the coffee without sugar, and that's all. What can case a switch 0 ohms on the power connector only with power? Marcus, I made few videos about this. Is when the short is hidden by or hidden by a semiconductor. So you have a semiconductor. You check with the multimeter, You have a semiconductor on the serial mode. If you check with the multimeter, it's not short. When you connect the power, it's actually short. Yeah. So you have to move forward on the circuit and check for short. Got coffee? Third one? Yeah, same for me. Mate, a question which is not clear for me on the table. With a dead CPU, I'm always able to turn on the laptop or not. Yeah, you should be able to turn on the laptop. I mean, just because the laptop is brain dead, CPU, it will not affect this. I mean, in order to start the laptop, you need like a working EC chip, a working chipset, and yeah, not the CPU. Who deletes the message? No one, Sammy. There are some rules on the YouTube side. So if you try to post links or prohibited words, the YouTube will automatically delete the comment. Postcode, please. Uh, I can't give you my address, Andre. It has to be a job, and if we agree with the term and condition of the job, then I can give you the address. Usame, good morning. Frank, yeah, yeah. I had a lot on the past TVs or power supplies with that capacitor blown. Yeah. But it's like a high voltage. I believe it's like 1.5 kilovolts capacitor. Andrei, poți să scrii în română dacă ți-e mai ușor. Sunt aproape de Londra, da. Sorry, you have kids? Yeah. Have a problem after water damage. When plugged, the sound is not normal and distorts. Yeah, you know, quality trivia. I wish I can help you, but I cannot diagnose things over the internet. I mean, only you can figure it out what is the problem there. Good morning. Do you create a course about electronic repairs? We have few videos there, but I'm gonna add more. Just give me some time, a little bit of time. Mahmoud, not sure what you are speaking about. I don't know the device. Bob, watch a lot of your videos. Good to see you live. Thank you. I saw a second live repair session this week. I will do a video about that. I burned a chipset. I mean, obviously, was I didn't burn it. Got burned during the repair on a Samsung laptop, and I want to do a video about what happened there. I mean, without any reason. Yeah, so we fixed the PD controller, but at the end, after I fixed the PD controller and the BQ power supply, the chipset has zero ohms. I mean, with no reason. Yeah. Then I was trying. I mean, I was trying. It was supposed to do like live stream like every day, but something happened. I had to pick up my daughter from school, and yeah, we spent the week together here. I had two quells who gets hot, can I replace them with a wire? No, you can't replace coil with a wire. I mean, coil, it is a wire. And probably if you replace a wire, it will work with very poor performance, but it's no point replacing the coil with a wire. Kiwi, sorry, when the PCH is dead, can a laptop still react to the power button? Um, I think you will see a reaction on the power supply, but it's not necessary that laptop it will come on with a dead chipset. But you will see if the EC chip is reading the power button, when you press the power button, you should see like a current increase. Even if it's not a lot, you have to see it on the power supply. Hope your daughter is okay? Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, nothing bad happened. I mean, I don't burn things, but that job make no sense. Working on a PD controller, then working on a BQ chip, and after the PD controller and the BQ chip has been repaired, and I had the voltage was right, the chipset was 0 ohms, and I checked on the beginning, and the chipset was like infinite resistance. Human, thank you very much for the gifted member. Thank you, thank you. Were you ever sponsored by an LBA? Yeah, that's why I'm saying use my code. Yeah, you get $10 discount. I get $10 for which is not a lot, but just I'm happy just to support the product itself. Um, Horatiu a murit. A mers câțiva ani, cred că vreo 2 ani de zile am mers cu Helium, după aia a murit. Da, am fost entuziasmat. Eu n-am pierdut, nu mă înțelege greșit. Am vândut, am câștigat, dar nu, s-a terminat. Good morning, hello from Bosnia. It is good business repair electronics. Electronic repairs, I think it's a good business on a shop where you combine electronic repairs with computer repairs, with sellings, with you combine with many other things. And in that case, yeah, it is a good business, especially when you can buy like broken stuff from the customers, like broken computers, broken laptops. You buy them, you fix them, you sell. You buy them, you strip, you sell. Oh. Yeah, so it is. Do you have a video repairing a laptop GPU power supply? JG, you can misdiagnose. I mean, you check, you have no voltage on the GPU, and you think it's actually the GPU power supply. To be honest with you, I don't remember to find like a dead GPU power supply. I mean, you're not gonna find this fault. Even if it's a faulty GPU power supply, the laptop it will work fine. Because you have more power supplies there, which are all in a parallel mode. So you're not gonna see the fault. Bertus, good morning. Enjoy your coffee. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hello, Sorin, old pizza lover. Bodo, good morning. How the PCH get hot from 5 volts line? Because the PCH is not supposed to have 5 volts? Adam, Lenovo working fine, but sometimes charging and sometimes not charging. You know, random faults are the hardest to be found because it's random. Golam, thank you very much for the gifted member. Thank you. Thank you. One pizza fix in the UK can buy 5 pizza in South Africa. Um, I mean, the pizza should be the equivalent price. So if I'm charging one pizza, that means probably the price there it's exactly the same one pizza. If you calculate in money, then yeah, it's a difference. Yeah, the price of one pizza here can be 5 pizza there, but take it like a pizza price. Bob, I mean, you should you clean it. You clean it. That means you put alcohol inside of the keyboard because it will stop working. Try to don't put like even alcohol inside of a keyboard. 2:28 a.m. in Mexico. I will say good morning, SL. Lenovo G500 after the motherboard replacement and CPU upgrade. Sometimes the Wi-Fi card disconnect. Again, Gabor, random faults. Random faults are hard to be found. I'm trying to stay away from random faults because it will take you a lot of time. Just because it's random, happen randomly. Andrei, nu pot să-ți dau postcode. Trebuie deschis un service request, discutăm, vedem dacă pot să iau jobul, că nu iau orice reparație. Dacă știu că nu pot repara, nu-l iau. Dacă e ok și pot lua jobul, spun prețul. Dacă tu ești de acord cu prețul, după aia îți pot da adresa unde să-l trimiți. Trebuie trimis, nu poți să-l livrezi în persoană. Sorry. My Acer Nitro 5 suddenly died after my cat sit on it. No pee. System gene. I can't see the connection from the cat sitting on the laptop. After that, no power, no charging light. I mean, either the cat pee on the laptop, or it's just a coincidence your laptop died when the cat sat on it. My eyes have trouble readjusting to that new mouse. It's not new. This is like I have it from like 10 years. It's I don't know. I think it's my daughter mouse pad. It's just a cheap mouse pad. I don't think this is Razer. Has Razer logo. I bought it from eBay or something long time ago. LCD PQ108 telling me nothing. If you share the schematic, we can have a look on Discord. But otherwise, just telling me name of the chip on the position of the board, it's not telling me anything. Hi from Mauritius. Good morning. The cat is lying about the liquid damage. Bram, I would like to know how you see the future of the repair because of the increasing miniaturization of the IC. You know what? Whatever the electronic, whatever direction is going, if you check the big picture, actually what we are repairing is actually power rails. Yeah. And no matter where it's going, there will still be power rails and power supplies to be repaired. So what we are fixing now, we're going to fix on the future. I mean, clearly we cannot fix anything like we cannot even diagnose what is going on the digital side, on the computing side, like what's happened between the CPU, the GPU, the chipset. We cannot check. Even the manufacturer can't check. So yeah. Yashir, good morning. Yoda of laptops. On the next members only live stream. Probably next week. I still have a bunch of jobs which has to be repaired. I think I answered that question. How the PCH get hot from 5 volts line? The PCH is not supposed to have 5 volts. Replacing the 8-pin connector of 1080, it will be easy to use low melt solder. I mean, you are replacing the connector is faulty, right? So you have to replace it. I mean, in order to take out that connector, doesn't matter if you use 480 degrees, right? So I can't see why you will use low melt solder. I mean, just higher the temperature on the hot area, and you can take it. You can take that connector out, even if it's melting. Morning, guys. Good morning. Have a Acer. It runs 5 minutes exact and turn off. I had a job like that when I could not fix it. Not sure what's the problem there. System gene. If the laptop is new, less than 1 year, then send it back on the warranty. That's my advice. Because it's a gaming laptop. So don't think on a motherboard repair. Think to send it back on the warranty. Guys, what about your coffee? The USB-C adapter charger doesn't charge the laptop. What cable do you use for checking USB-C charging ports? What cable? I have a USB-C brick, and it's like a normal cable. There's nothing special about the cable. Apart from the fact he's supporting, this is the one. This is the one from Temu. You remember 99p cable from Temu? Yeah, that's the one. 240 watts, PD 3.1. Yeah, this is the one from Temu. I have a Asus. They put a warranty sticker on the CPU cooler, and I can't even change the thermal paste. Osame, that kind of sucks if you have a seal there. I mean, a seal should not be on the heatsink, should be on the motherboard screw, yeah. Okay, so you don't take the motherboard out, but not on the heatsink. Gondonji, cafea nemacinată, boabe. Laurențiu Neața. Human, my fifth cap for this morning. That's too much coffee, Human. Yeah, Silvio, you can peel off that sticker with hot air, but not very hot. Probably around like 70, 80 degrees, and you can peel it with the tweezer. You can try, yeah. Yeah. Burn computers. I started learning from your videos a few years ago. Then I left my job after 18 years to pursue my own repair shop in South Africa. Big fan. You know, I'm really happy, and it makes me feel good. Actually, I could change anyone's life. You know, just sharing my knowledge. You know, I'm proud of you. I mean, you know, it's a matter of choice on the life. So you can have a life or working 8 hours for someone else, or you can try do your things yourself. I mean, probably are less money, at least on the beginning, but it's a different feeling working for yourself, especially when you're young. I've rushed to Natsa. Good morning. Had a phone. It was for everyone. It was like for like 2 3 weeks. It was available for everyone. That video. You haven't seen it on that time? Garo. I have a huge interest in learning electronics, but so many components confuse me. I mean, on this time, it's enough just to search the component on YouTube, and I'm 100% sure you'll find a video explaining how that component is working. I mean, the books start making no sense on these days. Everything is online. Radu, good morning, Neața. Bojan, greetings from Serbia, Belgrade. Good morning. No, that's not true, Hoda. That's not true. But I'm gonna check for you. So it was the one from the course. I mean, everyone's seen that video. Well, the one with the big chip, right? Um, I can't see. The BQ, the one with the BQ chip. No, you're not right. So the video has 20K views. You know, for a video to take like 20K views, has to be online long time. So you're not right. 19.3K views has that video. So it was public for a long time. Zoltan, sunt mândru de tine. Foarte bine. Darius, good morning. I have a Asus. The computer work without any problem. Now, when the battery gets stuck at 53%, and when I unplug the charger, the computer immediately turns off. It is possible. I mean, there can be different issues. Like the laptop charging, but actually it's not charging, or a battery problem. Yeah, for me, looks wrong, like 53%, and the laptop switched off. But I fixed a battery before. I think on a video. Yeah, we have a video with that battery, and the battery was showing 0% capacity. Remember that that battery was a gaming laptop. But that 0% battery, it was because the laptop worked without charging that battery. So the battery was fully charged and the battery got, I don't know, blocked or something. No, I don't remember. No, the charging circuit on the laptop didn't work. But because the battery, was on the inside of the laptop, the capacity on the BQ chip, the BQ chip was reported like having like zero capacity. But after like few cycles of charging and discharging, that battery got cycles back. So that can be an error. I mean, you have to check what's going on there. You have to check the voltage on the battery in the first place, yeah? So if you plug the charger, what voltage you have on the battery? Have in mind, depends how many cells are on the battery. You have to take in consideration a discharged cell is 3.6 volts. A fully charged cell is 4.2. Then you do the math, depends how many cells you have there. And see if the battery is getting fully charged, yeah? If you get like max voltage on the battery connector, then means the laptop it is trying to fully charge the battery. I have another battery, I changed it, but it's still the same. Then it's pretty clear it's not a battery issue. So it's a charging circuit issue. And there is another problem. Can be a charging circuit problem, or I show on the last video with the Dell, not last week, this week video, yeah, the Dell one. You plug the charger, show you like it's charging, but actually it's not charging. On the background, if you check the current on the power supply, is not actually charging. It's actually discharging. Yeah. It's been long. Sorry, did a phone repair. I tried to fix a phone yesterday or 2 days ago. It was a data recovery job, and I could not fix it. The flash memory, it was getting hot. Yeah. So the flash itself, it was dead on that phone. I think I have a picture. It was an A70, if I remember. One second. Yeah. Yeah, I do have a picture. UME, that's the chip. UME 6000. And there is the flash under the metal, and the flash actually was hotter compared with the CPU, which means the flash memory was dead, so partially dead. Yeah. So here behind of the metal, it's UME 6000, and was getting proper hot. So I could not recover the data for that customer. I think it's the first data recovery job where I can't do it. I said no. I said I'm sorry, I can't fix it. Suggest me a low budget thermal camera. We had from Temu. It was like 50 euros a thermal camera, Unity thermal camera. We had before. Apple Dash, thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, probably there are more videos about that. Yeah. Again, Flash was getting hot. Yeah. And after I worked like 1 hour, because obviously I checked the voltages, it was a little bit of work, over probably more than 1 hour. I have the video recorded. The customer, start being funny. They don't want to pay the diagnose fee. My pizza, £25, and yeah. Sometimes happen. Sometimes happen. I mean, let me check the record. I think it's more than 1 hour I work on that board. More than 1 hour. Recording. One second. 8.7 gig. And what's the time? 1 second. 1 hour and 4 minutes. Yeah, it was 1 hour and 4 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, the bench is background. The bench. This one, it's a mouse pad. It's a mouse pad. What do you mean there? There is no. It's just a table. How much diagnose fee you take? If I cannot fix the product, £25, which is about a pizza. So just forget about the money. Just think pizza, one pizza diagnose fee. And I didn't have the diagnose fee on the beginning, but I started getting a lot of rubbish for repair, and I said, you know what? Let me put a diagnose fee so I can sort them a little bit. So that's the only reason why I'm taking diagnose fee, just to keep the job sorted. Okay, guys, you finished the coffee? Same on Turkey. We are getting one pizza. Yeah, you see, it's more easy. I mean, it's making more sense for the people from outside the UK if I compare with pizza. Yeah. To coffee finish, Gabor. See me on Discord. Sami, not sure what do you mean. Back to Discord till next week. Have you tried this solar iron? Not sure what solar iron. If you post links, doesn't work. Good morning from Canada. Andrej, good morning. No coffee. 1 a.m. Yeah. Good morning from Illinois. Blue thermal pad that you always use. It's just it's a normal thermal pad, and I just put it more together. You see, and it's getting stuck together. I have them on eBay for sale, or you can buy them from anywhere. I mean, this kind of pad. You see, like I believe it's like 3 millimeters. Yeah, something like that. Thermal pad. Does rice really work for liquid damage? Of course not. If it was that simple, we're not gonna have jobs. Does the thermal pad still work when it's that old? Yeah, of course. It's not old, it's just very used. It's been through a few bottles, yeah, yeah. Andrei Natsa. Hadan, no, I haven't used that one. I don't know which one it is. Zaki, good morning. Sorry, have a nice Sunday. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, Silvio. You see, Silvio is right. If you try to summon like a Chinese guy to fix your laptop, then yeah, the rice can make sense. Not answering my question, Yashir. 1 second, Yashir. What Yashir said. Latitude, first issue was the ISL. Now, the charger returns on. It also charging, but when I unplug the charger, signs stay on. With the battery, It only shows keyboard backlight for 15 seconds. I believe that you have more issues. I mean, what I will try to do first is to separate the issue to see if I have a charging circuit problem or a power problem, or actually it's more than that. So in this case, probably I will charge the battery. If you charge the battery, the laptop is working fine. Because if it's working fine, you just look on the power and charging circuit and you can fix it. But I really doubt the problem is on the charging side. Yeah, probably it's on the processing part also. I mean, EC chip, chipset, CPU. So that's what I will do in this case. I will charge the battery with the power supply and I will see if the laptop is working with the power from the battery. And then I know it's not my charging and power input circuit. So after you separate the things, and that can give you like a good idea where is the fault, because that's what you want to find, where I should have a look for the fault. Jerry B, good morning. So it is clear, Yashir? Just tell me if it's clear. If you didn't understand, just let me know. Darian, thank you very much for five member gifted. Thank you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. If caps lock doesn't work, no, that means a brain dead laptop. Yeah, 100% it's a brain dead. But brain dead, RAM memory can cause a laptop to be brain dead. So it can be a RAM issue, it can be a BIOS issue. Do some microscope giveaways? From where microscope? I did. From Temu, you remember? Okay, I got it, Yashir. So the laptop is working fine when the charger is plugged, right? Laptop stays on with battery when unplugged from the charger, but it shows like it's still charging. Just forget about the charging. The laptop is working fine with the charger plugged in. If you tell me the laptop is working fine, yeah, with the charger plugged in, but the only problem is you unplug the charger and the charging light is still there. Then on the charging circuit, yes, okay. Then on the charge, what you fix, one second, what you fix, where is Yashir? Yeah, you fix the ISL one, yeah, and the ISL, this is the power management chip. You should have a AC detect pin on the ISL. That one is possible to be shorted. That's the reason why it's detecting the charger always be plugged in. I mean, even the BQ chips, they have a AC detect pin. So find out ISL 9538. One second, let's have a look. ISL 9538. Datasheet. This one, yeah? One second. That's your chip. So you repair this chip, you replace it. That's what you said. You have this one. Check here. ADPS, yeah? ADPS, you have a divider here. So check the voltage here and be sure this divider is working. I mean, not sure what voltage has to be here. ADPS. We can have a look for ADPS. ADPS, yeah. Reverse output voltage feedback. Okay, sorry, this is a feedback for reverse for when the laptop is outputting. It's outputting the voltage. So how the chip knows when it's charging? You have V in, V out. Okay, anyone smarter than me on the chat can tell me how this chip knows when the charger is plugged in? Let's help Yashir. I can't figure it out. Let me check the chat. It's an Intersil chip. Yeah, I know. Two Pizza, happy Sunday. Thank you very much, Apple Dash. Thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Not sure if Diana is on the chat, so today we have pizza for dinner. Can be a dedicated charging IC. Didi is here. Yeah. One sec. What do you mean dedicated? No, this is the charging circuit also. Yeah. So the output voltage is actually the battery voltage. So no, this is the charging and the main power L. What you can see here. I mean, yeah. No. This is doing everything. This chip is doing everything. No. This chip is doing everything. DC in. 1 second. DC in. That's the one. Where is DC in? DC in. No. This okay. This one is taking voltage from the battery and from the charger, so cannot detect from where the current is coming. It is possible. Yeah, it has some comparators here. You can see that those chips. So it is possible to figure it out. No. Oh yeah, can be. Yeah, can figure it out when there is voltage on the input. When is voltage here, so he knows the charger is connected. ADP. 1 second. ADP. Sense ADP voltage. When the ADP voltage is higher than 4.1, forward mode can be enabled. Anyway, you work on this chip, Yashir, yeah? So if you work on this chip, clearly the problem is there. So either the chip is not soldered properly, or the chip is faulty, yeah? What is a DAC chip? Digital analog converter. Digital analog converter, yeah. That charging IC. You have there same. You have ISL chip, buck and boost converter. I don't remember what model is. Nicholas, I want to ask how you deal with the customer. I have finished last year. Burn, do you have any counsel? Not sure what do you mean. How you deal with the customers? With the customers. I have finished last year. Burn. I mean, you have problems with dealing with the customers? Ah, ha, ha, Nicholas. Okay, I got it. I understand now. I understand your problem. Uh, you know what? Dealing, I mean, customer service in UK is crazy. And, I was surprised on the beginning, but probably is the hardest job possible in UK to deal with the customer service. I mean, UK is on a totally different level when it's about customer service. But yeah, it is hard. Probably, yeah, you will get burned. I mean, this one was one of my happiness living the computer shop and actually running my own thing, not having to deal with the customers. Yeah. Even if I try to stay away, yeah, I have my desk and where I was fixing my things, but still, the customer, hey, what about my laptop? What about this fault? What? Yeah, yeah, I know. Yeah. Uh, Darian, it is possible. It is possible to be right. Yeah, there is possible to be. It is possible to be a PD controller. Yeah. Yes. Deal with customer. Take years from your life. I can still remember we had our issues there, and because it was a shopping center, the customer knew if I start shouting on a shopping center where you have a bunch of shops, yeah, if I start shouting, I will get what I want. And yeah, that worked every time. Yeah. Uh, Funny. Yeah. Part of the job, dealing with customers. Part of the job. Yeah. The funny part is when I actually was trying, yeah, I was, because I was with the idea. I was with the idea. Let's give back the customer. Yeah, if we fix the laptop, yeah, let's give back to the customer clean, the laptop clean, because they were like some laptops were proper dirty. Cleaning and give the customer a repair laptop clean. And we start having so many issues that, oh, you scratched my laptop. It's like, no, I didn't scratch it. It was so dirty, you could not see the scratch. We clean it, you know what I mean? Of course, we didn't say that to the customer, but we failed, you know what I mean? So we try to bring this to the customer. Well, let's clean every laptop, the screen, the back of everything, yeah? And we end up with a lot of issue like you scratch my laptop. Then we charging, yeah? The first was free charging the phones, and we start having some issue like you crack my screen and things like that. And I said, okay, you know what? Let's charge £1. And even if we charge £1, we still start having more issues with people charging. I broke my charging port and stuff like that. So yeah, we stopped on some point. We stopped even charging the customer phones. Yeah. Janos, good morning. Mate, no, myself, no. On the shop, yeah, we had a case. Um, we had a case with a lady. She came with a dead phone. I already someone tried to fix it and stuff like that. The phone was dead. I fixed it myself. I fixed it. She took the phone. She come back probably like 3 weeks later. The Skype didn't work. The Skype app. When she opened the Skype app, it didn't work. Um, I don't remember what happened. I tried to fix it again because it was something related with some soldering, um, and the phone died. So we refund the customer. Obviously, we refund the customer. We give back the phone, and she uh, she opened a claim. She opened a case saying her phone was working before, and we have to give her a working phone. And of course, the owner of the shop didn't go to the trial, and he lost, and we had to give her another phone, a working phone. But yeah, it was funny because we end up with, okay, you came to the computer shop with a working phone. That's how we end up, which makes no sense. She came with a broken phone, with a dead iPhone 5. I remember it was. Yeah. How can AI be utilized in the field of the repair? No, you can't do it. AI is nothing else than a search engine. Yeah, that's it's overstated being AI. It's not AI. It's a search engine. It's nothing else. It's not AI. Now I have an option on the channel if I let the AI to train on my video. Yeah. JGB, how are you? I'm fine. I'm okay. AI, it's an intelligent parrot. Yeah. Yeah. Something like that. Ronnie, if I have to deal with the customer, I will be on jail. I mean, there were few fights when Jason was on the show. Yeah, Jason is a proper like angry British guy, and he was like, we had like young people, like really trying to start a fight or something like that, and he was like, "Okay, come outside." And I was like, "What do you want to do outside?" I mean, here is a shop. Outside is police, is street, it's CCTV. uh, nice memories. Anyway, nice memories from the shop. Good and bad, but yeah, it was an interesting experience. What kind of coffee you drink? Starbucks beans, blonde, blonde coffee or light roast. Computer works. Thank you very much for your donation. Thank you. Thank you. I work mostly on the printers, and after repair, many customers ask for a specific. Oh yeah, yeah, Andre. Yeah, we have so many jobs like that. I mean, we fix a fault. We fix a fault. The customer came and wait, but what about that fault? And it's like, we haven't said anything about that. Yeah, but I was thinking you were gonna fix this laptop like fully functional, and yeah. Or after you set up the price. Yeah, we are speaking about the things. We set up the price, and then you tell me, and after that, the customer will tell you, he'll tell you, fix even that one. And it's like, fix it for free. Yeah. Okay, let's not complain. Yeah. Also, I have like beautiful customers and beautiful minds. Yeah. Gadon, thank you very much for the member. Thank you. Thank you. I'm from India, please. My question. Sushant. You know, the country you are is making no difference. So I don't understand why you said hacked. Sometimes on some no, I can't help you with that. It's the same thing I'm telling you. You know, my car is starting sometimes, sometimes not. What is the problem? So same thing. We cannot fix things over the internet. How can I know what's the problem there? In order to know what's the problem there, the laptop has to be here. Yeah, so I have to check the motherboard. But even coming on sometimes and coming, and sometimes not. Probably I will not even take that kind of job because it's a random fault, yeah, hard to be found. So yeah, for me it's a no go that fault. Garden, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Indeed, there are few people which I cannot reward them. The ones from the Patreon. I wish I can find a way to reward them, or to make up to them. My brain doesn't know want to sleep at night. How can I fix that? Uh, I don't know. I have some proper big issues with my sleep, and I don't know why. Okay, guys, it's been like 1 hour and 13 minutes. I will say, let's have a beautiful Sunday, huh? What do you think about that? Sounds good? We're gonna have some steaks, yeah? Yeah, yeah, good food today. Yeah. Pizza? No, 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 no pizza. No, no, no. I was joking. No pizza. No, no, no. No Sunday. No, no. You have to cook the food today, Diana. No, no, no. No pizza today. Not today. Maybe in the week time, but not today. No, you have to cook actually the food today. I'll help you. Don't worry. I'll help you. Okay, guys. Thank you for being here. Yeah. Have a beautiful Sunday. And I'm gonna try to bring you some nice content next week. Yeah. So see you on the next one. Yeah. Bye.